Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and today I'm going to show you how you can rotate your screen on Windows 10. Open the Settings app and go to the System group of settings. Here you want to select the Display tab. If you've got a multi-monitor setup, you have to first select the screen that you want to rotate. If you're not sure which screen is screen 1 and which is screen 2, click this Identify button here. So select the screen that you want to rotate and then scroll down and find this Orientation dropdown. Open the Orientation dropdown and select how you want to rotate it. You've got 4 options here: Landscape, Portrait, Landscape Flipped, and Portrait Flipped. When you change the orientation, you get a countdown timer. Within this timer, you have to accept this new orientation, and if you don't accept it, it's going to revert back to the original one. Your mouse's behavior also changes to work with the new orientation that you've set, so it's going to take a little time for you to get used to it. I'll see you later with more tips and tricks for Windows 10.